Hi everyone. Do you trade the live markets, jumping the gun at whatever moves, hoping for a big winner? I certainly did so in the beginning, and my buttons got pushed a lot. If this is true for you, then you have no plan and no trading strategy. Most probably, trading leaves you confused, overwhelmed, and stressed. Your self-esteem drops away and your trading losses grow, same as your frustration does. You should know the capital markets are made for the unprepared trader. Let's call him the small fish, to lose. There is a game being played out there, and you might represent the losing part in that game. Sounds familiar? Step out of that role. It is not a good role to play. You can only win that game if you feel good and strong about yourself. When you feel in control, then you play the trading game according to your rules. And then trading becomes easy and fun. Then you are the hunter. Read my article, Your Game, Your Rules, Winning Your Trading Game. You find a link in the video description below. First thing is, you need to prepare yourself, and jumping the gun is not the solution. So better follow a plan. Trust me, you're not the only one, and the majority of my students have been there too. Think of the capital markets as different groups of fish, and it's the big fish you want to be part of. Why? The big fish eat the small fish. It is as simple as that. Now, in fact, the big fish want the smaller ones to be confused, frustrated, and overwhelmed, because then they become an easy prey. Then they start to make mistakes and lose money. And it might just be a little bit each time. Sounds familiar, right? Look at any peak performance activity we play, and you will find out that a lot of tricks are being played to win the game. I have played tennis in the highest junior league, and I'm well aware of different layers of tricks being played, be it strategic, tactical, emotional, mental, or psychological. Actually, as a trader, I started out the same way than you. I believed trading should be easy. I had to learn it the hard way. It is really important for you to understand that it's not about the magic indicator or the magic strategy, because there is just no such holy grail out there. What you need is a shift in thinking, because there is a holy grail, but it is in between your ears. It is in trader skill development. Grow from being a small fish into a big one and grow rapidly. Over the years, teaching about 1,000 students, I developed a lot as a coach. And based on the concepts of deep practice, I refined a simple and very effective trader development method. We're talking about exponential skill growth here, and this means that the time you can be successful as a trader has shortened to just a couple of months now, instead of many years before. Many of my students have done so before you, and you will watch some of the testimonials later. So, are you prepared for the plan? If so, watch the next video.